Many people are now working from home or trying to do as much remote work as possible. Video conferencing is the most significant part of remote working. And for the best experience, you need a good webcam. Yes, every laptop has a webcam, but they are not very sharp in quality. You can use an external webcam, but it costs a fair amount of money for a decent quality webcam. So why not use the best camera you already have? Every Android phone has a high quality video camera. So in this video, I will show you how to turn your Android phone into a webcam under a minute. First of all, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Ion 4K webcam. Once you find it, install the app. Next, you have to go to the developer website on your laptop or desktop computer. The link will be in the description right below the like button, so don't forget to hit the like button, which means a lot to me. Ion 4K webcam is the most straightforward app to use Android phone as a webcam. All you need to install the app on the phone and install the webcam drivers for it on the PC. The app works pretty well on PC, Mac or Linux based computers. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then launch both apps on the phone and server app on the laptop. It also works through a USB connection. You will see the live video up to 4K resolution depending on the phone. For video conferencing apps like Zoom, Skype or other apps, you need to configure the video source camera in particular app settings. I hope that was helpful for you. I have also written a blog post with a list of 10 similar applications, so you might be interested in checking them out as well. As usual, the link will be in the description. I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.